Hello children, in our last class or in our last session we discussed the concept climate and weather. Okay, we just understood the difference between climate and weather, what are climographs and all these things. And today in our class we'll discuss what are the factors that affect the climate and weather. We have four factors that affect climate and weather. They are: first one is latitude, second one is land water relationship, third one is relief, fourth one is upper atmospheric circulation. So when we generally see, okay, in India, the north part of India, it is surrounded by Himalayas. If you take the map, the rough way, this way, the north region is completely, okay, in the north part we have Himalayas, and the southern peninsular region consists of seas. Okay, you are having Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. So definitely there will be differences in climate. Definitely there will be differences in weather conditions. You consider the north part will be cooler since it is very close to Himalayas, and as you know, Himalayas are covered with snow. It is a cooler region, so the climate will be cool. And definitely when you come again to Rajasthan, yes, it will be hot since it has desert, Thar desert, the great Indian desert. And again when you see the southern peninsular region, it has coastal line. The south part has a long coastal line. The southern India has a long coastal line. So there will be difference between the temperature of northern India and southern India. Yes, because there will be a difference. The temperature that is observed or the sun rays that is observed by land and water will be different. And in some areas like Kerala, you have dense forest. Okay, there the temperature is also different. So these differences in temperature is because we have different types of land features such as plateaus, mountains, plains, coastal areas, and we have forest in some areas. Because of this, what happens is temperature is not constant in all the places. Definitely temperature variations will be there, and weather will also vary from one place to another place. So the factors that affect the climate and weather, they are called as climatic controls. So again I am telling you the factors that affect the climate, they are called as climatic controls. The factors which affect the climate and weather, they are known as climatic control. Now we are having four factors. They are the reason why there will be differences in climate of one place to another. What are those? First one is latitude or distance from equator. Second one, land water relationship. And third one is relief, means altitude. Third one is altitude. Okay. In upper air atmospheric circulation. Upper atmospheric circulation means in this part we will be discussing about the direction of trade winds and how these jet streams will affect the climatic controls. Okay. So these are the four main factors that affect the climate in India. We will be discussing about these factors in detail in tomorrow's session. Thank you.